Hello, lovely friends. It has been a while since we last connected. It feels like forever, but it's only been 2 months. And I have missed each and every one of you. And I wanted to say thank you to those of you who have reached out to me via email or just texts or messages on my channel. I really appreciate you all. Today I want to share with you the beautiful journey I've been through in this last 2 months during my absence, where I have embraced slow living. I have indulged in gardening and cherished memory-making moments with my family. The kids have finished their school year, and it's been incredible to witness their growth. My oldest is about to embark on a new chapter in college, and I couldn't be prouder. We've shared precious moments together before the nest empties just a little bit. Life threw us a curveball this spring, where a plumbing issue affected about 6 rooms in this house. But with resilience and determination, we transformed adversity into an opportunity. The renovations are now complete, and our haven feels even more welcoming than before. While we were at it, we decided to extend our side fence and create my moon garden. It is now an enclosed space with a view from our dining room. And it has become a mini sanctuary for birds and wildlife. And we get to observe all of it from the dining room table. So I have spent a lot of time gardening and tending to my new hobby of growing cut flowers. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of my garden. Everything is doing so well. It's probably been a month since this last video right here. My favorite little plant to eat right now is a nasturtium. I actually fried them in coconut oil and a little bit of salt, and oh my gosh, it's so delicious. And then I put some fresh flowers like these. They taste a little bit like a radish. Yummy. It just puts a little bit of a zing on the dish. And then we've done the fence. But we're extending it, so I don't want to show you the mess. And the snap peas are profusely producing. Here is my first cosmos. I've never grown cosmos before. These here change colors. Oh, there's a bug. Let me know if you know what this bug is and if it's a bad one. It's kind of bright. At the abundance, those are going to be pulled down soon, and I have already sunflowers. But look at this craziness. There's just way too much. I can't even. And today I just cut 2 of these for my bouquet. Crazy. All over. As we immerse ourselves in the tranquility of slow living, let's take a moment to appreciate the natural wonders that surround us. Witness the vibrant colors of flowers as they bloom, the gentle sway of trees dancing to the rhythm of the wind, and the mesmerizing play of sunlight that paints the world with warmth and beauty. time moves in its own graceful rhythm. And through these sequences, we witness the magical transformation that occurs in our garden. It is a testament to the patience and care we invest in cultivating a haven that nurtures our soul. And I've learned a lot, but there's just so much to learn. I'm a little bit overwhelmed. However, now with temperatures at about 100 degrees every single day, I have had to bring my joy inside and find refuge from this horrible heat with books and ice pops and spending time with my family indoors, which is very easy to do here in Houston, since I think at some time, if not currently, this was the most air-conditioned town in the world. So there's lots of activities that can be done indoors during the summer months. Slow living is about finding beauty and simplicity. And speaking about finding joy and simplicity, let me share with you a quick DIY that I did with bits and bobs that I found in the garden. We had some cardinal birds make nests, and after the little babies flew off, we had to cut down the vine that they made the nests on. So I used both the vine and the nests to create this lovely wreath that I keep outside. I might put it by the gate that goes into the new area, but right now it's just in my vegetable garden, and I just think it's lovely. It's a good place for me to keep my tools. Yes, I keep my tools outside. I don't care. It is completely made with things I found around the garden, plus a little bit of twine. With a gentle touch and a keen eye, I carefully arranged these treasures, celebrating the textures found in nature. It is a reminder that even the simplest elements can be transformed into something truly unique and beautiful. Talking about beautiful things, if you have noticed the jewelry I have been wearing, it is from a company called Gingiberi, and they have sent me a few products to test out. And I think I have a code, and I will write the code down here, or you can find it in the descriptions. But Gingiberi is a company, there's a little history behind it, but mostly they make jewelry inspired by mature women. So you won't see anything very flashy. It's quite elegant. I love these earrings. They're all hypoallergenic. These earrings are Acacia pearl, and the hardware is 18 karat gold. I've been wearing these for over a month now. If you watch my channel, you know that I cannot stand wearing earrings, not even my diamond earrings, which are platinum, for very long because my ears get irritated. And yet I've been wearing these for over a month and I don't even feel it. They're super tiny and cute and dainty. And this Akaya, what is it called again? Yeah, Akaya Pearl is got a little hint of pink to it, and I think it's just lovely. And I love that it goes with everything. It's very subtle. It just gives you a little bit of elegant gleam, and especially with the gray hair, I think the pearls really look fabulous. What do you think? I also got this medallion. It's really cute and held together by just this little bar, and I just think it's lovely. Perfect for summer. Also, sometimes I wear it around my wrist as a bracelet. Now, I haven't opened this one yet, and let's see. This is the current packaging. They said that a new packaging was coming out, so I don't know if it has happened yet or if this is it. Now, this is a real silver set, and I just selected it really quickly, so I don't know if it's even gonna fit me. Oh, this is great. The ring can actually be pulled apart so it fits your finger perfectly. Now, this is lovely. I like it. I like it very much. It's quality pieces that you can wear for a long time, yet it's something that you would wear comfortably when you go on vacation and not be afraid to lose a $200 ring. In the heart of slow living, we find joy in the simplest of moments. The laughter that fills the air as we cook together, the warmth of a shared meal during an outdoor picnic, and the bond strengthened through friendly competition during a board game night. These are the memories we treasure, the moments that remind us of the beauty of a life well designed. Life is a journey, and sometimes it takes us in unexpected paths. But amidst its challenges, there's always an opportunity to find joy in simple things and create moments that nurture our souls. Thank you for being part of my journey and for understanding this brief absence. I promise to bring you more heartwarming and slow living videos, both in fashion and hearth. So until we meet again, my dear friends, look around you and enjoy the small, beautiful things. Try to find within your space and within your family and friends those little moments that nourish you. Sending you all my love and warmest wishes. Goodbye.